Need to start with the ceremony right away. Thank you. I request once again everyone to please take in your seats as we need to start with the proceedings now, and I request everyone to please put in your mobile phones on the silent mode. Once again, this is the final announcement. I request everyone to please take in your seats as the next 1 minute we'll be starting with the ceremony. I request all the guests and dignitaries to please keep your mobile phones on the silent mode. Distinguished dignitaries, honorable guests, and members of the media, a very, very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, we extend a very, very warm welcome to each and everyone present over here, and thank you so much for joining us so early in the morning today for a truly, truly memorable occasion that's going to go down the road of history. Post a successful IPO, we are here to commemorate this joyous and significant milestone of the listing of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited equity shares at the NSE. Today we mark the beginning of a new journey for Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited as a listed entity. Before we begin, I request everyone to kindly stand in attention for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पञ्जाब सिन्ध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलधि तरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. Request everyone to kindly take in your seats. Milestones are an important way of looking at the past with gratitude, the present with appreciation, and the future with a lot of hope. Ladies and gentlemen, Zaggle is a leading player in spend management with a differentiated value proposition and diversified user base. Incorporated in 2011, the company operates in the business to customer segment and is amongst a small number of uniquely positioned players with a diversified offering of financial technology products and services. It has one of the largest number of issued prepaid cards in India in partnership with certain of its banking partners. Zaggle collaborated with 3 banking partners, that is IndusInd Bank Limited, Yes Bank Limited and NSDL Payments Bank Limited, and has issued more than 45 million co-branded prepaid cards since inception of its business. It has a diversified portfolio of software as a service, including tax and payroll software, and a wide touchpoint reach. Zaggle, ladies and gentlemen, is sector agnostic, and its network of corporate customers covers the banking and finance, technology, healthcare, manufacturing, FMCG, infrastructure, and automobile industries, among others. As we celebrate the listing ceremony of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, we would like to welcome our esteemed guests with bouquet of flowers. So ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Raj P. Narayanam, Executive Chairman, Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome. I request Mr. Avinash Ramesh Godkhindi, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, to please step on stage as well. I request Mr. Aditya Kumar, Chief Financial Officer, Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, also to step on stage. Also extend a warm welcome to our host for today, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, NSE. Very warm welcome to you, sir. We would like to extend a hearty warm welcome to the book running managers also, who have played an integral part in the success of this IPO. Please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Harsh Kedia, Vice President, Investment Banking, ICICI Securities Limited. I request Mr. Venkat Raghavan S., Managing Director, Equity Capital Markets, Equirus Capital Private Limited, to please step on stage. Very warm welcome to you, sir. Now I request Mr. Shirish Chikalge, Senior Vice President, IIFL Securities Limited to please come on stage. Very warm welcome to you, sir. I also request Ms. Neha Prithviraj and Mr. Vaibhav Malik, JM Financial Limited, to please step on stage. We're also truly grateful to the entire team of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited for joining us here today. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us here today. We will now commence this occasion with the lighting of the auspicious lamp, for which I request the management team of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, Mr. Raj P. Narayanam, Mr. Avinash Ramesh Godkhindi, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan from NSC, Mr. N. Madhusudan Rao, Mr. S. Jayachandran, Mr. Abhay Deshpande to please step forward next to the lamp lighting area to do the honors. Very, very warm welcome.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Auspicious lamp lighting ceremony to mark a new and prosperous beginning of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Venkat Raghavan S., Managing Director, Equity Capital Markets, Equirus Capital Private Limited, to initiate the proceedings. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure in welcoming all of you to the listing ceremony of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services. At the outset, I'd like to congratulate Raj, Avinash, Aditya, and the entire team at Zaggle. And this is not just for the IPO. I think in a short span of 12 years in the tech space, I mean, it's a rare phenomenon to find a bootstrapped company that's profitable that's come into the market. So I think the congratulations are in order for that. We at Equirus, we are honored to have been a small part of this journey of yours, this IPO. And I think I would be speaking for my fellow bankers as well, who have enjoyed the ups and downs of the process as much as you probably have. Today, we welcome a new set of shareholders to your company, the public shareholders, and obviously for all the work that you've done during the IPO. I think the real work starts now. The capital markets is a powerful tool, and you have access to the capital markets. But as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. And I think it's up to you now to take this forward and grow this company along with your new shareholders and to provide wealth to all of them. I'm sure you'll do that because you've been doing that all this while. And congratulations to you once again, and all the best going forward in this journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for initiating the proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, now please help me in welcoming, as it gives me immense pleasure to invite him on stage, Mr. Raj P. Narayanam, Executive Chairman, Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. Hearty welcome, sir.
Good morning, all of you. I have been waiting for many years to come on this stage and, address the gathering. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhanji, my colleagues, our newly valued shareholders and partners, and my family, Zaggle's successful IPO and listing the company on the stock exchange is a proud moment for me and my team. To me personally and professionally, it is the fulfillment of an aspirational dream, a dream that began decades ago and now realized through Zaggle. Let me start by thanking once again every one of you present here and on the outside watching us live on stream on the tremendous efforts that each one of you have put in to make Zaggle IPO a huge success. My heartfelt appreciation, to each one of you. In my considered view, the priorities, for any business are mainly threefold: mind share, market share, profit share. At Zaggle, every strategy that we have conceptualized, planned, and executed all these years has led to an increase in at least one of the above three outcomes. Zaggle grows as Zaggle knows. Eyes do not see what the mind does not know. Our ability to think and understand quickly and move nimbly and easily is our biggest strength. Agility, be it in business, product, process, has been our hallmark. Zaggle grows as Zaggle knows. When we thought of Zaggle a few years back, we had two options. To go mile wide, which is mile wide and inch deep, which is to build an expanded client base and serve each one of them with one financial solution, or to go inch wide and mile deep, that is pick up limited clients and provide them every solution. We at the board and the management team decided, evaluated both the options and thought that maybe an approach which is amalgamation of these two approaches could best be suitable to Zaggle. So came in, the new formula, G is equal to I plus I plus I, which means growth is equal to imagination plus intensity plus innovation. That is, identify the most high potential, fast growing segments and build innovative and customized solutions around payments, SaaS and credit for each of the segments. Over 2,400 client base as of today for our spend management solution. It is just the beginning of our journey into the wide world of payment solutions. Zaggle grows as Zaggle knows. Since the word dharma, all of you would have seen that dharma is quite frequently being used. I also want to share with you the Zaggle dharma. Zaggle dharma since beginning has been create and build innovative solutions using latest technologies. Plan an active partnership in client's growth journey. Build and sustain trust on bedrock of professionalism, character and integrity. Deliver maximum value to all stakeholders. Zaggle grows as Zaggle knows. I always tell my team, don't focus, on how you are adding value to the company, but concentrate on the benefits that you can bestow upon the client. in their growth is our growth and your personal growth. You know, P2P, you know, for Zaggle is passion to perform. And it is an ingrained value of every Zaggle employee. You know, the famous economist Milton Friedman once said, profit is important, but people and culture, moral compass of running a business, environment management and responsibility to society is equally important. At Zaggle, we do not look ourselves as just another company, but are inspired by Mr. Friedman's philosophy and try to follow it in every single way, because Zaggle grows as Zaggle knows. I personally believe with our right strategies, our innate competencies and team's solid perseverance, we will significantly enhance the prospect of attaining our desired goal, to be the numero uno in the financial solution provider in the world. Thank you. Zaggle grows as Zaggle knows. I would take this opportunity to thank my wife Vinita, you know, my daughter Shreya, my elder brother Madhusudan Rao, you know, my bhabi and my sister, my brother-in-law, my nephews, niece, and their children, all of them, and most of it, you know, my team, the Zaggle team, and my partners, the Zaggle partners. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for always inspiring us. Ladies and gentlemen, now please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Avinash Ramesh Godkindi, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. A warm welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ashish Chauhanji, to Mr. Raj, to my team, to our esteemed shareholders, both old and new, to our partner banks, to our other partners, to our customers, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to be able to get to this milestone. This has been a journey of 12 years. It's been a unique journey. You do not see a bootstrapped SaaS fintech company get to profitability and consistent profitability and then get to the stage of an IPO. So we are extremely humble and we are extremely proud of the fact that we've been able to get to this milestone. Having said this, I would also reiterate that this is day one for us. This is a new chapter, this is a new responsibility, especially towards our new shareholders. And we are acutely aware of this responsibility, and we take this responsibility with the greatest seriousness. This has been one of those occasions where you would not expect anything less than joyous celebrations. But for us, it's also joyous celebrations along with profound reflection on all the things that have gone right in these 12 years, and also areas that we have not done things as well as we would have liked to, and what we've learned from those experiences. We've had our own fair share of tumultuous experiences, but I think as a company we have grown stronger, and as they say, that which does not kill you makes you stronger. So that's been the story of Zaggle, that we've moved from strength to strength over the years, and we hope to, with your blessings and support, continue to do that. I'd like to end my small talk by thanking a few set of peoples, my parents, my family, my wife Nikhat, my son Roshan, my siblings, of course Mr. Raj, who's the founder and executive chairman and the man behind the company, the man of the moment, and who's been a mentor and guru for me for all these years. I'd also like to thank our board, who've been very patient and very supportive. Our erstwhile investors who continue to be on our cap table, who came very early, Venture East and George Kaiser Family Foundation, our BRLMs, our lawyers, our customers, partners, NSE, other partners, and last but not the least, the Zaggle team. You know, the Zaggle team has been the strength which has made this happen. And not just the people who are with Zaggle today, but a lot of people who have contributed immensely over the years to this company's success, to this company's foundations. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now it gives me immense pleasure to invite on stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO NSE, to please come on stage and address this August gathering. Very warm welcome to you, sir.
Shri Raj Narayanan, Executive Chairman, Zaggle, Shri Avinash Gorkhindi, MD and CEO, Zaggle, Shri Harmeet Arora, Vice President, Zaggle, Shri Venkata Raghavan, MD, Equirus Capital, Shri Shirish Chikkalge, Senior Vice President, IFL, Shri Vaibhav Malik, JM Financial, Shri Rahul Mehta, and other distinguished dignitaries present. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. The company offers fintech and SaaS products and services to manage corporate business expenses through automated and innovative workflows. NSE is proud to welcome Zaggle in our family of listed corporates, and this will be 2,286th company to list with NSE. NSE listed companies have a market capitalization of $3.83 trillion, and from today onwards, Zaggle will be an integral part of it. India is now the fourth largest market in the world in terms of market capitalization after US, China and Japan. And it is also the largest exchange in the world today with more than 20 crores transactions on many days. The market capitalization of India has grown over 80 times in rupee terms since NSE started its operations in 1994. It is a testament to India's entrepreneurial activities and trust of its people on its entrepreneurs, which is not easy to get, especially in a poor country like India. India is also among the largest markets in the world with 7.5 crore unique PAN investors and 5 crore households accounting for 17% of India's population directly investing in stocks today. The IPO of Zaggle with an issue size of 563 crores garnered a good response and was oversubscribed 12.57 times. We hope that today's successful listing of Zaggle will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as a promising alternative. We at NSE are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that this listing day is a start of partnership going forward between us. I congratulate the entire team of Zaggle, the merchant bankers, PR agency, the legal advisors, and everyone else associated with this IPO for their accomplishments, and today's listing is a testimony of their hard work. NSE once again welcomes Zaggle to the family and looks forward to supporting Zaggle in all their future fundraising endeavors. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I request sir to please be on stage as to commemorate the significance of this event. We'll now have an exchange of mementos. I request sir to present the memento to, and please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Harsh Kedia, Vice President, Investment Banking, ICICI Securities Limited. Very, very warm welcome. I also request Mr. Venkat Raghavan S., Managing Director, Equity Capital Markets, Equirus Capital Private Limited, to please be on standby. I request Mr. Shirish Chikkalge, Senior Vice President, IIFL Securities Limited, to please be on standby. I request Ms. Neha Prithviraj and Mr. Vaibhav Malik from JM Financial Limited to please be next to the stage. request representative from SNR Associates, legal counsel to the manager and the sponsor, to please be on standby. I request Mr. Arun Ori from Ad Factors Advertising and Ad Factors PR to please be on standby. Thank you. I request Mr. Arun Ori to please step on stage. Now I request Sir to present a special memento to the management of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. I request Mr. Raj and Mr. Avinash to please step on stage to receive the memento from Sir. At the same time, I will now request the Zaggle management. Yes. Also, let me tell you that NSC will present a special memento to the management of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, and will also be providing proud badges to the Zaggle team. These are for the employees who could not join us today. Now I request the Zaggle management team to provide the memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan from NSC. Thank you. I request both the gentlemen to please be, Raj sir and Avinash sir, to please be on stage. Now we'll be facilitating some very special partners whose contributions have been invaluable. I request Mr. Harsh Kedia, Vice President, Investment Banking, ICICI Securities Limited, to please step on stage. I request Mr. Venkat Raghavan S., Managing Director, Equity Capital Markets, Equirus Capital Private Limited, to please be on standby. I request Mr. Shirish Chikalge, Senior Vice President, IIFL Securities Limited, to please be on standby. I request Ms. Neha Prithviraj and Mr. Vaibhav Malik from JM Financial Limited to please be on standby. I request representative from SNR Associates, legal counsel to the manager and the sponsor, to please be next to the stage. I request Mr. Arun Ori from Ad Factors Advertising and PR. Yes. Thank you. Mr. Arun Ori from Ad Factors Advertising and Ad Factors PR, IPO Communication Partner, to please be on stage. I request representative from KFin Technologies Limited, Registrar to the offer, to please be on standby. I also request the representative from Tri Legal to please be next to the stage. request representative from the printer to please be next to the stage. I request Mr. N. Madhusudan Rao, ex-member Railway Board, to please be on stage to receive the memento from both of them. Warm welcome to you, sir. I request Mr. S. Jayachandran, Head Pipeline Division Reliance Industries, to please be on standby. I request Mr. Abhay Deshpande, Founder Recycle, to please be on standby. I request Mr. Gatu Malesh to please be on standby. I request Mr. Arun Gupta, Board of Director at Route Mobile and multiple companies, to please be on standby. Thank you. And thank you, gentlemen, for doing the honors. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Harsh Kedia, Vice President, Investment Banking, ICICI Securities Limited, to present the closing remarks. Very warm welcome, sir.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of ICICI Securities and the lead managers to the issue, I congratulate the entire team Zaggle on this momentous occasion of their listing. Dear Raj, dear Avinash, what you have achieved today is a true testament of the determination, the grit and the passion which we all have witnessed over the last few quarters that we have worked together. And do mind it, right? Many of the startup ecosystem players who are still nimble, it's a great motivation for them what you have achieved today. An IPO which was almost like a 563 crores, getting oversubscribed by 12.86 times is no rare feat. We wish you a very best on this auspicious occasion. And further, on behalf of Zaggle, the entire lead manager team, and everybody that was part of this IPO, we would like to thank all the investors, the media fraternity, and everyone for making this issue a great success. I convey my best wishes to the company for the success in the year to come and in the endeavors towards creating great value for the entire ecosystem and the new shareholders that are part of your family now. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. May I request Mr. Harmeet Singh Arora, Vice President, Strategic Partnerships, Corporate Strategy, Corporate Communication and Public Relations, Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, to present the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you one and all for joining us today on this historic occasion. As we witness our beloved organization being listed on the Indian stock exchanges, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you who have played an instrumental role in making this day a reality. I would like to express my great admiration for Raj sir, Avinash sir, whose unwavering commitment and tireless efforts have propelled us to this remarkable point. It deserves a special recognition. Come on, guys, big one. Thank you. A sincere appreciation goes out to all our shareholders whose belief in our vision has been a driving force behind our growth. Your trust in us is not something we take lightly, and we are committed to delivering on our promise. Our journey has been marked by challenges, but it is precisely those challenges that have shaped us into the resilient and innovative company we are today. As we step into this new phase of growth, Let us carry forward the spirit of teamwork, innovation, and integrity that has brought us here today. Together, we will continue to strive for excellence and create value for our stakeholders. Thank you, thank you, thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for presenting the vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, we have all been waiting for a very, very historic moment which has finally arrived, where Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited equity shares will be listed on the stock exchanges of the country. As you can see, yes. We are just a few minutes away from that. And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that we have reached there, and we will be inviting the dignitaries on stage who will be doing the iconic bell ringing ceremony. I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan from NSE to please step on stage. I request Mr. Raj P. Narayanam to please come on stage. Please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Avinash Ramesh Godkindi. And please help me in welcoming on stage the BRLMs, without whom this would have not been possible. I request the BRLMs to please step on stage, as well as the promoter family to please come on stage. We'll be doing a few photo ops before the very, very important moment, ladies and gentlemen. Also, let me tell you that during the ceremony, I request everyone to please be seated for videography purposes. We're just 2 minutes away, everyone. Also, let me tell you that there is a tradition what we do. So let me explain you what happens. So just 10 seconds before, we'll be having the clock there. I'll be ticking. So it'll be 10, 9, 8, 7. And together, we'll be doing the customary countdown. So we want a lot of energy from the audience who are sitting as well as on stage, where we'll be doing the customary countdown and welcoming this very, very important moment in our lives. I request to finish the photo ops. We're just a minute away now. We'll do one group photo op with everyone on stage. All right, we are just 1 minute away, everyone. In just a few seconds, we'll be having the customary countdown. So I'll be requesting everyone to have a good, loud shout out together. All right, just 50 seconds more to go. Okay. Everyone, just a few seconds to hold. All right. Just 30 more seconds, everybody. We are just very close to the customary countdown. All right.
Guys, be ready. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hearty, hearty congratulations. Once again, hearty congratulations to Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, which is now officially listed on the stock exchanges. It has truly been a milestone journey for us. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us here today. We have the refreshments served in the F&B area. I request all the guests and dignitaries to move towards the F&B area. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Thank you.